In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend the Shopify free trial. So Shopify gives you a free trial for 3 days that you don't need to input any card information or anything like that. But if you want to extend it to get the 3 months for $1 a month plan, here's what you need to do. You need to log into your Shopify account, and then you want to go to this dashboard over here, and it is going to say something along the select a plan to get 3 months for $1 a month. Then you want to go ahead and press on select a plan just like so. So for both basic, grow, and advanced, you get $1 for 3 months, which is honestly such an incredible deal, guys. So you want to go ahead and select whichever one you want. For this video, I'm just going to be selecting on basic right over here. And basically, you would need to go ahead and enter in your card number, the expiration date, the CVV, the country region, and the zip code. And then you want to go ahead and press on subscribe once you went ahead and inputted your card information. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, once you went ahead and put in your card information, it will now say you successfully subscribed. And then from here, you guys could also add your business address and your business identification if you want to, but that is completely up to you. And if you are a registered business, then you want to select on this option right over here. So yeah, Shopify really does give you a lot of great options, or you guys can go ahead and select on the add later option right over here. And then there you go. You have now extended your free trial. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.